So Denise Audio contacted me again and sent me the new... Wait, was it new? I don't remember. Anyway, it's BitCrusher plugin. My Crush is the free version and Bite Harder is the commercial version, so you get more features in there. And all I know is that it's BitCrusher. So let's look into it, shall we? My Crush. Let's start with the free plugin because, hey, can't really lose anything from checking out free plugins, can you? Except maybe time. What I forgot to mention is Denise Audio sent me the plugins, but they don't pay me and all opinions are mine. Okay, so just to clarify. Blah 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 blah. Refined crush controls. The same insane bit crushing algorithm from the Bite Harder drives the My Crush plugin. The individual bit reduce and resample dials help you to gradually destroy your sound. That's what I like to do. The stutter fader adds a layer of creativity on top. Stutter fader. I always like interesting effects that give me a little bit of creative glitchiness and whatnot. So yeah, I'm all for that. Yeah, let's check this out.
The resample slider on the My Crush.
Okay, no, I don't care. Let's go on. Presets from so-and-so. Inspiration. Hey, Mixbus TV, David. Guys, check out Mixbus TV. Awesome channel. Your next crush. I'll be the judge of that. Brutal algorithm. Brutal crushing algorithm. Filters. Easy to use low pass filter and high pass filters. Stutter. Create extra arrangements and textures with the stutter control. We'll check that out. Continuous reduce resample control. Okay. Individually set the bit and sample rate. And then graph curves, 6 different preset curves change the tone and vibrancy of the bit crusher controls. And then also presets, okay. And these are, you see Bite Harder, 20 bucks, 20 euro. Hey, they got a couple of discounts here actually. Perfect Room. If you have 50 bucks, get Perfect Room. Really great stuff. Let's just check this out first, okay? My Crush. So I have it here on the distortion. So let's just put this straight on the mix. Hey, I still need to, yeah. Okay, here we are. This is actually a completely new song that you do not know yet, and yeah, pretty much done. But I'm not going to spoil you with the whole thing. I'm just gonna give you bits and pieces. That's how I like my bit crushes. Okay, so there we have our reference, and now let's check this out. So this already has a really big EQ curve implemented. It said that there were, a couple of different, okay, here we go. A couple of different EQ curves. Okay. Let's just turn it down a bit. Okay. Quite honestly, right away, I would have liked that there was also an option for no EQ curve. Let's put the frown on here. That actually makes a cool lo-fi effect. Wait, what does the reduce button do again? I want to check that out.
The reduce slider on the micros reduces the bit depth of the incoming signal in a controlled manner. This adds overtones.
Okay, got it. Bit depth. So, for example, going from 24 bits down to 16 bit, down to 8 bit, down to 4, down to 2, and whatever else in between, I suppose. Resample, yeah, that's also pretty explanatory. So going from 44.1 kilohertz down and down and down, that's what a bit crusher does. Cool. I'm a little bit confused why it gets louder when you reduce the bit depth. But maybe that's just me not 100%ly understanding digital formatting and whatnot. Let's resize this. I'm getting glasses soon, which I am so looking forward to. I could not see that this says pre. Oh, with this you can make some really cool fade effects. So first you fade in the bit crusher and then you use one of these filters. Hey, that's pretty neat. I like stuff like that. Okay, stutter. Hang on. Still haven't optimized my studio flow here. Okay, that's for the free version. Let's check out Bite Harder. So there's quite a little bit more going on here. Let's see. Not sure what the split button does, but somehow things get messed up even more. Hey, and I'm all for that. Now, interesting. So Silky kind of does something. Let's see what exactly it does.
The Silky slider on the Bite Harder smooths the effect of the reduce and resample sliders, making the sound less harsh.
So it's basically, yeah, just doing stuff on the top end so it doesn't sound harsh. Pretty self-explanatory. I thought there was more to it. Then again, why would there be more to it? It just does what it says it does. Simple and effective. That's how I like it. Okay, and with the pull feature, I imagine it's the same like with, was it God mode, I think? So you can use an EQ before the actual effect, and then after the effect, that EQ gets compensated again when you use the pull function. And that way you can change how the effect itself is behaving without actually changing the whole frequency balance. So now you can just set at what frequencies the effect is having, well, more of an effect, or at which ones less. That's all fine and dandy. And here we have a little bit more going on. Instead of just stutter, we also have glitch. Excuse me, repeat. That's nice. Ah, I like this. I like this. Now this really opens up the door for some really creative stuff, especially when you start automating different parameters in here. It's really interesting. I like this. Ah, I think I understand what the glitch is actually doing. It's the same as the stutter, but it's really fast, and it's just going faster when you turn it up, to the point that the stutter itself is creating this fake frequency you hear sweeping through. And then we have drive. Let's check out what the drive can do. That's gonna be the new big thing, man. Bitcore. So, that's pretty cool. I'd say check it out. It definitely can give you a little bit more ideas for just creative stuff going on in your mixes. So things don't start becoming stale and just being the same all the time. Just some little spices here and there is always good. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know how YouTube works, so do your shebang. And I shall see you next time.